Hi guys and welcome back to another video of Anonymous Gamer. As you can see, there's the fox. Here, want a spruce sapling? Yes, spruce saplings. Oh, see? It grabbed one. Iron 9, see? Why do these foxes sound like they're crying babies and stuff? Oh no. Not this. No. I'll cover up these places in snow. Well, at least I have foxes. These foxes are truly talented. Stop sounding like babies crying. Honestly, these things just do sound like babies crying. Man, the baby foxes are so fast. Why you be so fast? Ah, it's impossible speed. Actually, I need to put a bed. E. B E D. I'll pick what color. I'm taking the cyan. Cyan. Slash KILL. All. Actually, escape. All. My cake, how could I ever forget you? Oh my god, wheat! There's so much wheat and stuff here. I just hope it didn't kill any of them here. Did it really go this far? I don't care. Wait, what did I just get? Egg. Bruh. I killed a chicken? Fuck up. I need my foxy spawn egg. Yeah, wait, why do I have two? Did I take two? Escape 9. No. Yeah. Here, have some spruce saplings. How am I getting them back? Not what I was supposed to do. Thanks for the bed. Is this gonna be a hidey corner? Okay, I'll just put some of these guys. Haha, you won't be able to go this high, will you? Better get my bedrock ready. Bruh, the sound effects are... I don't know how Minecraft manages to make it this loud, but however they do it, they must be great at it. Oh yeah, and before I forget, I need to get my crafting table. And I think I know a way how to do it. that. The eggs are coming back from the moon. And literally almost none of them made it. Okay, I'm just... Can I use eggs? I'll literally put a block of glowstone on top. You can see! Bone meal. Dun, 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 dun. Wait, no, not bone meal. I need kake. Okay, so put a composter. Get them pigs. Wait just 1 minute, guys. Actually, nah. This is how Minecraft works. You just sit in a pool of compost that actually created bone meal. Excuse me. Actually, now I'm gonna go back to what I'm actually supposed to do. I'm gonna make a day. 244 entities? Oh my god. Oh, I think I know why. Slash time. Time set day. Watch. And it's like literally up top. Not a single night lighting mob will exist here. I think I shouldn't focus so much on doing this. I'm gonna go. Oh my god, not the end bin. Oh, oh. I think I looked at it. Fuck! Fuck! yeah, I forgot. I killed every single one that was in here. Har diddy har har. I'm gonna get my fox spawn egg. I'm gonna get my fox spawn egg. Oh my god! An emerald? I know one of you has an emerald. Emerald. They accept their fate. One grabs it the second I kill the one that has had it before. You. Finally. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. And then, finally, I got the emerald. Oh, I see some of them. Yeah, see, some of them has different items. So that means I can drop them a stick. See, they take it. I'm gonna spawn more. I can't get out. Hey, I wonder if I drop them one of these. See, one grabbed it. So I can't spawn too many at once. can go away from the snoring beauties and continue working on the one thing I should never have started on. I need potion of speed. Going sick potion, blah blah blah. I'm gonna take the, is this invisibility too? And then F5. I'm just so... I don't even know what I'm doing at this point. I like this potion. It looks like I'm just like flying blocks. It literally is like I'm in first person mode. Better go back into first person mode. This is back boy mode. Okay, I better go into first person mode. Nothing will expect me to be where they are. And the best part is, I have an empty box slot. And the other best part is, I can spawn snow golems into the castle areas. Yay, you have a cute little oak sapling. They even hold stuff that they shouldn't be. That's a great addition to Minecraft, guys. Mojang. I think I'm gonna make this like 50 blocks high or something, which will probably take like forever. But the higher it is, the more mobs can't get in. I wanna go into F5 mode. This is what Minecraft is all about: being invisible and not being and pranking your friends, thinking there's a ghost. Actually, pretty much the only ghost I know that exists in Minecraft is a Vex. This is getting harder. I can't control myself. Come on. By the way, after this after these episodes, videos, I'm gonna go back into F5 mode. Wee wee do 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 do. Potion of strength, potion of strength, potion of strength 2, weakness, weakness, luck, slow falling, loss of fermented eye. I'm gonna get a brewing stand, and then I'm gonna get, I don't know, blaze powder. I don't even need this destroy. Oh yeah, and I need bottles. B-O. I'm gonna destroy not the wheat. Yep. Why can't I hear a thing? And then I'm gonna put bone meal. Okay, so it doesn't let me. Egg. Let's go. Rabbit's foot. Rabbit's foot. Do I need a... What do I need? I'm gonna go into brewing. Fermented spider eider. No, eider. Eider. Do I need a fermented spider eye? And then a bottle, a glass bottle. Hmm. Rotten flesh, maybe? A rabbit's foot? How do you use one of these? Ugh. Oh yeah, I need the power of jumper. I'm gonna see what else there is in Minecraft. I don't know what a conduit does, and I don't want to know. I don't know what a clay bowl does. I know what this does, and I like what it does. Wait a minute. I know what I need to find. Not chirp. No, not what I need. It's called something weight. It's called weight. Yeah. Actually, I need to look for list up. Jukebox. Pukebox. I'm just kidding. I'm running out of invisibility. Ugh. See? Not what I wanted to do. I have so many potions I get mixed up. No. Wait, I want to go into. See? That's what ender pearls are meant for. Oh my god, so much snoring. Watch this. It looks as if it's everything in Minecraft. This is cool, James. Hope you guys like that jam because there's gonna be more. If I can make more. By the way, I used to have Minecraft Pocket Edition. But apparently there were no boots. And it deleted itself. Which is very, very annoying actually. I can jump 1 block. Okay, so I feel like creating some snow golems. Yeah. Yep, 3 minutes for invisibility. I'm gonna get some snow. Actually, I'm gonna look into building blocks. Hmm. Oh yeah, and crystal. I'm gonna get some of that stuff. And then 9. This is what happens when you get an end crystal on the bar. Not what I was supposed to do. It's like TNT, but like I feel like the explosion is a little more powerful. Wait, if I create the end crystal and then get a head, not a head, literally, a head. I think it's in miscellaneous. Oh yeah, decoration blocks. Nine F5. Stop looking at me. I'm gonna go back into first person mode. No, not front mode. I need to find eggs. E double G A. No, not R double G E double G. Blaze, I know what those do. Bees, bees, biz, 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 biz. I forgot what an invoker does. I'm gonna get a cat. A little cat. Does cat want a stick? They sound so weird. You're gonna barely be able to hear them. Oh well, looks like this is the end of the episode. Hope you guys feel good about this, and I'll be seeing you all next time.